I used to go professionally in the U.S. Coast Guard for a couple hundred salty sailors, out on deployments, out at sea for a few months at a time. Now, I simply want to hang out with you in my backyard, Fireside. We're gonna grill up some really tasty stuff today. I'll make some sausage. It's pretty cool. So it's butternut chorizo sausage I got from a local farm. Excited to try it. We're gonna make some hobo packs with potatoes and onions, wrap them up in foil, put them on the grill. Super tasty, really good fireside, but especially camping or something like that. And then we're also gonna make some salmon. So stay tuned, I hope you enjoy it. Give me a like on this video if you enjoy it. Throw a comment below what you would do different in this meal, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, it helps me grow. I've had them on the grill for about 15-18 minutes or so. As you saw, I checked them out, stuck a fork in the potatoes so you know they're done. You can probably cut them a little thicker than I did, but I like them thin like this. I'm hoping they get a little crispy on the bottom, we'll see though. And yeah, it's easy as that, you know, it's a one foil meal, I guess you would call it. They call it a hobo meal, you know, you wrap whatever up in foil, throw it on the campfire, and you got yourself a meal. Temp's been fluctuating between, probably started around 250 or so. Halfway through that 15-minute mark, I added on some more coals in the side slots, and it popped up to 350. Now it's popping back down to 300, which is fine. I don't know which one came out better. They're both really good, they both came out really fucking good. I'm not gonna lie, really tender. Whew, fucking smoke. Bad angle for the camera, probably. The only thing different, maybe would have cut the potatoes a little thicker. Not too much, but a little bit. I probably should have thrown some garlic in with the potatoes and onions. I just didn't grab any. But if you can see, I mean, everything's cooked through really well. Total cook time was about 25-30 minutes or so. Poked holes in them the last 5 to 10 minutes. I'm happy with this meal. It came out really good. This is like a perfect meal for camping too. Can do this with just about anything. If you want to make it vegetarian, just leave out the meat. Probably add some beans into it too, maybe. Yeah, I'm pretty excited to eat this. This is my lunch today. So hope you enjoyed it. Leave in the comments if you would have done anything different, or if you do try this, let me know what you tried or what you tried different. And give this video a like. Give me a subscribe to my YouTube channel. You're all the reason I'm able to do this, so help me out and leave a comment below. Thanks.